Hello FME friends, and welcome to this 2025.1 feature demonstration video. In this video I will examine the new AI-powered multi-language packs created to better support our global community. In the past, the FME interface was only available in the English language or other languages that local partners had manually translated. However, in 2025.1, new language packs are available for installation. These packs are generated using AI and kept in sync with the English version to ensure consistency. Let's see how to use them. The Downloads page of the Safe Software website has a section where language support packs can be downloaded. Currently, there are packs for 4 languages: Dutch, French, German, and Hindi. Select the package that you wish to install and click Download. Full installation instructions on the FME knowledge base are accessible by clicking the link shown. Once installed, the FME user interface now appears in your chosen language. Here, for example, is the FME interface in the German language. Notice that even the log files are translated, which is not something that was possible in earlier localizations. If the process fails, follow the troubleshooting steps in the installation instructions to properly set up your computer locale. To install help documentation in your language of choice, return to the Downloads page on the Safe website and download the chosen language file. Extract the contents of the file into a folder called Help in your FME installation folder. Restart FME and the help documentation is now in the language of your choice. Here, for example, is the documentation for the statistics calculator in Hindi. If necessary, you may need to check the box for offline help only in the FME options. Besides FME Workbench, the Language Pack also applies to other applications in FME Form. For example, the FME Data Inspector. You can also apply a Language Pack to FME Flow. For example, here is the FME Flow Interface in French. Here are some final points of information about this functionality. Language packs are available for FME 2025.1 or newer on the Windows platform only. The language pack must be the same build as the FME form that you have installed. Documentation is also available in English for accessing help offline when you do not have a connection to the internet. Support for more languages is planned for future releases. I hope you found this video interesting and that you will enjoy the new functionality. Look out for other video demos for the 2025.1 release.